Yeah, so we have a lot of laptops today to fix. All these laptops, about 17 or 18 of them, they are coming from Douala. They send them to us to fix them. They are all faulty, so we have started already. Yeah, so we are done with this one. Fix. This one is fine, it's working out fine. It should be on charge. It's charging, it's working fine. Yeah, it's charging, it's working fine. Okay, so we have all these to fix as well. So we are working on this one now. We want to try and fix the battery. The battery is locked. This one is locked. I will need a NLBA to fix it. That's a battery analyzer. But for now, I'm trying to use my power supply to fix the battery. So we're gonna continue and we'll see how many we can fix from these. Yeah.